MUA Cosmetics turned 15 years old this month, and to celebrate they've brought out a brand new lip collection. These are the Hydra Shimmer Peptide Lip Balms. They are beautiful. I'm going to swatch them for you and show you some of my favourite colour combos. MUA Cosmetics already had these. These are the Hydra Peptide Lip Balms and they're beautiful. Then they launched these. These are the Shimmer Peptide Lip Stealer. Together you get the Hydra Shimmer Peptide Lip Balms. They are packed full of vitamin E and tripeptides, so they are comforting, nourishing, and they give you this smooth plumpness on your lips that makes you feel like you're not wearing anything. We have coconut sugar, a beautiful clear shot through with gold and pink. It smells of coconut too. Then you have watermelon sorbet, a beautiful cool tone pink. This is caramel glaze, a nude with a gold shimmer. This is heartfelt hun, a slightly deeper nude with like a bronze rose gold shimmer. Berry bliss, this is a really wearable pink. Raspberry jam is like a magenta with a gold shot through it. We have cherry kiss, which is a beautiful silvery plum. Finally, sweet orange, a beautiful tangerine shade shot with gold. They pair perfectly with their intense colour lip liners. I'm wearing heartfelt hun, and this looks absolutely beautiful with coconut sugar for just a really nude lip. See how that hydrating formula just makes your lips look so plump, and that shimmer really adds dimension. Because this is heartfelt hun pencil, obviously it goes with the matching shade in this. Even though this is a nude, I can see pink shot through that. Heroic pencil works really nicely with watermelon sorbet. This smells incredible. This is Mystic Pencil, and if you want to take the pencil all over your lips for a slightly more intense colour, you can. Or you can just line your lips and get a softer shade. Both lovely. The minute I get a tan, I'm going to be wearing sweet orange. That little pop of colour with Obsession Pencil, that just screams holiday. They're so comfortable to wear. They are in a set. You can get all 8 shades for £14. There is something for every occasion. They feel incredible. They are a sensory experience. I carry a set of these in my bag because if I just want to touch up a lip balm, I'm popping this on and getting a lovely lip look rather than just a plain lip balm. They are beautiful. Happy birthday, MUA Cosmetics. What a phenomenal brand and what a phenomenal set to celebrate.